Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 11 7mm screws and 2 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Remove the stylus and gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest. Slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Lift the battery off its posts to remove. Replace the battery back onto its posts. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 7mm screws and 2 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.